Take a look at this for a second. Hard to believe, right? This wasn't created by a professional animation studio, and it didn't require expensive software or years of experience. It all started with a single text prompt, and AI transformed it into the cinematic masterpiece. Today, I'm going to show you the exact platform that makes creations like this possible, completely free. You'll learn how to generate stunning anime artwork, turn it into smooth cinematic videos. The platform is called PixAI. So, this is PixAI. Its interface is very clean, and it doesn't confuse even someone using it for the first time. This website, totally for anime. Here, other people generated characters. At the top, you see your credits and profile. You will come the left side. Here you see many features like generation and model and many more. Here you click the generation button and you will come on this dashboard. Here we generate the anime character. Here come the right side. Here you see mode. In mode, you select standard. Pro and Ultra. I selected Pro. Below you see the style, click the Browse All, and all style you will see. Everyone's style here. Scroll down and select one style what you want. I selected Semi-Real and click on the Apply style. You select the model. Here you click Show More Models and you will see more models. Here you scroll down and select one model what you want. I prefer TSUBAKI.2 because I think it's best. Click the Use This model and scroll down. Here you will see LoRa option. If you do not like it, click on the Show More LoRa. Here you will see more LoRas. Select one LoRa. I selected this one. Click on it. Here you will see strength. Customize it as you want, and when this is done, click the Confirm selection and your LoRa will be selected. Scroll down. Here you will see aspect ratio. Select what you want. I select 3.4. We'll see resolution. Here you selected resolution what you want. Just click on it. You will see number of images. Two options, single and batch X4. In single, your one anime character is generated, and in batch X4, 4 anime characters are generated, so I selected the batch 4. Paste the prompt in prompt box and click on the Generate button, and your images will be ready. Images is like a wow. I will open for you, check out the details. It's too good, like her hairs, her eyes. This website is wonderful for anime. If you edit any image, just click on Image and click this Edit button, so you will see this. Here you paste the prompt. What is change on this image that will change? What change you want? Below, you select the model, just click on it, and you will see more models. Select one what you want. I prefer PixAI Reference Pro. It is good for edit image. Click the Generate button. Here the edit image will be ready. I'll open for you. See, the character consistency is incredible. It is too good. The character is same. It is insane. The time is converting to video. Click on the video button at the top and you will come this dashboard. Here you click the first frame and add you image, which you're converting in video. I selected this one. Here you will add the end frame if you want. I skip this and here you see more feature. Click on this and here you will see model. Here you will see basic and professional. Just select one. I selected professional and here you select any one model what you want. I select V3.2. Here you see the duration. Just click on this and select one. I selected 10 seconds and click on this. Here you see languages for your audio, like Japanese, English, and more. Just select. And you paste the prompt and click on the Generate button, and your video will be ready. That is incredible. It's looked like how the artist made it. Back on the home page and click on the Models button and here you'll find many different styles. Just click on any one you like, and then write your prompt to generate your image. Come on, left side, and here you see Create with Mayo.2. Just click on it and you will come next page. Basically, Mayo.2 is an AI anime assistant. He will help any work. Just paste the simple and click the Generate button. The magic of this is that you can gradually refine your image just by having a conversation with it. You don't have to get the perfect image on the first try. No problem. Just chat with Mio.2 and improve it step by step. Here's how it works. I type, create an anime girl in a cherry blossom garden. Alright, here's the first result. It's pretty basic, but now let's refine it. Now make her outfit more elegant and add golden details to the kimono. See? The outfit now has beautiful golden details and looks much more elegant. Let's take it one step further. Change the lighting to golden hour and add more falling cherry blossom petals. And here's the final result! With every message, the image became better and more refined. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants to bring their imagination to life exactly as they envision it, step by step, without needing any technical knowledge. Back the home page, and here you will see the toolbox. Just click on it and you will come this dashboard. Scroll down and click the Character Sheet Generator. Character Sheet Generator basically creates your anime character's full detail all at once. Different angles, outfits, expressions, all on one page. Here you click Upload Image and upload your image. Our image will be uploaded. Scroll down, here you change the languages and click on the Generate button and wait a few seconds. And here's your result. The AI automatically created a full character sheet, outfit, textures, and accessories, all from just one image. So, that was PixAI, a platform where you can create premium AI images, dramatically transform them with Edit Pro, turn them into cinematic videos, and chat with Mio.2 to get your perfect result. And the best part? It's all available completely free. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. Make sure to use the personalized link. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments how your results turned out. I seriously want to see what you create.